Hey Novsight family, today we're going to be showing you all the innovations that we got here at SEMA. You can see this amazing holographic headlight that we got for all the JLs now. And you also can see the MJ series 6-inch lights here as well. They come in black and with the chrome bezel as well. So Novsight, you know, they always impress us with all the innovations they come with. So now they have this step for the hinges on your Jeeps. Very beautiful finish for all my overlanders. To replace this on top of your doors, on the hinges, you got a step to just hop up on your Jeep. You have to go to the roof of your Jeep, your rack, anything, it will be there. Pretty nice, beautiful construction. And now it's time for the switch panels. Look at the switch panel. You can actually see videos on YouTube how to install these on some of our friends here from the family. Pretty cool. Wireless. I saw as much as 100 feet away from your vehicle, and pretty nice. Also, let's talk about the this is the voice control panel that you can use your voice anytime just to turn on any of your accessories. Hey Novsight, turn on channel 1. Turn off channel 1. Just that easy. You can control your lights. Novsight, the best choice for you on these panels.
Next, I'm just gonna leave this here. This is our current lineup for the Halo Pro series. And our Halo SE series. You will find our cyber lights all the way to our most popular lights, the halos.
So a lot of people keep asking me if Novsight has rug lights. They actually came out with a nice set of rug lights this year, so you'll be seeing that also under the display Jeep that I will show you on the videos.
SEMA 2025, where power meets precision. Novsight lighting takes over the scene, bringing the brightest innovation to the spotlight. This is the future, lit by Novsight.